In just 15 minutes, you'll have this adorable crochet Christmas tree. Quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. I'm Tuba from Crochet Craftsman. Welcome. I'm so happy you're here today. This tutorial is super easy, and you'll love how fast it comes together. By the end, you'll have your own handmade Christmas ornament, a sweet little piece to gift or keep. We'll start with a magic ring. Crochet in simple rows with increases. Add a tiny trunk and hanging loop. Easy! I'm using Gazzal Baby Cotton with a 2.2 millimeter hook. You'll find yarn alternatives in the description. All right, grab your hook. Let's make some magic. Leave a short tail for the hanging loop, and let's start with a magic ring. Chain 1, then make 3 single crochets into your ring. Chain 1 and turn your work. From now on, work in the back loops only. In the very first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next back loop, make 3 single crochets in the same spot. And in the very last stitch, make 1 single crochet through the back loop. We started with 3 single crochets, and now we have 5 in the second row. Chain 1, turn your work. Start from the first back loop and make 5 single crochets across, just like before. Chain 1, turn. Make 2 single crochets, working through the back loops only. In the third back loop, 3 single crochets. And then 2 single crochets. Chain 1, turn. Work through the back loops only. 7 single crochets all the way across. If you're enjoying this, tap that like button. It really helps me create more free patterns for you. Chain 1 and turn your work again. In this row, make 3 single crochets side by side. At the 4th stitch, we'll increase 3 single crochets in the same space. Then keep going with single crochets. After 3 single crochets, increase. In the same stitch, make 3 single crochets together. Now in the last 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each. Perfect. Chain 1 and turn your work. Work through the back loops only. 7 single crochets side by side. Chain 1 and turn your work. Here's the important part. In the first row, we made 3 single crochets. In the second row, we have 5 single crochets. We increased by making 3 single crochets in the back loop of the middle stitch. In the next row, make 1 single crochet on top of each stitch from the row below. Then, in the next row, make 2 single crochets side by side. At the third stitch, make 3 single crochets in the same space. In the next row, make 1 single crochet on top of each stitch below. In the next row, after 3 single crochets, make another increase. So remember, every even-numbered row will make an increase. And on the odd rows, make 1 single crochet on top of each increase below. See? In row 2, 1 single crochet and an increase. In row 4, 2 single crochets and an increase. In row 6, 3 single crochets and an increase. In row 8, 4 single crochets and an increase. On every even-numbered row, make an increase. Once you understand this little pattern trick, everything else is super easy. You've got this. Now we'll start row 8. Because this is an even row, make 4 single crochets side by side. In the next stitch, make an increase, 3 single crochets in the same space. And then 4 single crochets side by side. Chain 1, turn. Row 9 is odd, so make 1 single crochet on top of each stitch below. Chain 1, turn. Row 10 is even, so we'll increase again. Here's an easy way to keep track of your rows. Since row 2 had an increase, half of 2 is 1. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. In row 4, half of 4 is 2. 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets. When we reach row 6, half of 6 is 3. 3 single crochets, increase, 3 single crochets. Now that we're on row 10, half of 10 is 5. 5 single crochets, increase, 5 single crochets. Keep repeating the same pattern upward. That's how we build the height of our tree. You're doing amazing. Drop a comment and let me know how yours turned out. In row 10, make 5 single crochets first, and then 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Then, through the back loops again, make 5 single crochets side by side. Chain 1, turn. Across this row, make 1 single crochet on top of each stitch, no increases this time. Up next, we'll add the cute little hanging loop on top. And hey, don't forget to save this tutorial to make it again later. And that's it. Just keep repeating this pattern until your tree is as tall as you'd like. I've reached the height I wanted for my tree. It looks perfect. I made 20 rows after the magic ring. In the last row, 10 single crochets, 3 in the middle, and 10 again. At the end of row 20, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Weave in the yarn end neatly through the back loops on the back side. Now we'll switch to brown yarn and crochet the trunk for our tree. Attach your brown yarn to the 10th stitch from the start. Right here. Chain 1 and make 5 single crochets side by side. Chain 1, turn. starting from the first stitch. Make 5 single crochets. Chain 1, turn again. Keep repeating this row until your trunk reaches the length you like. I'll make 4 rows in total. That's just enough for the trunk. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and weave in those ends. Almost done. If you're loving this project, hit that subscribe button for more easy patterns. Now, use the yarn tail we left from the magic ring to make the little hanging loop on top. And that's it. Our crochet Christmas tree is complete. Now it's time to decorate. Add tiny beads, ribbons, or charms, whatever you love. I'll glue a small bow right on top. It looks so cute. And I'll add some tiny self-adhesive pearls all over the tree. They shine beautifully. Take your time decorating. There's no right or wrong way. These little pearls add a magical touch. Use any colors you love: red, gold, silver. Get creative. And that completes all the steps. Our Christmas tree is ready to shine. Want more Christmas crochet ideas? Check out my snowflake tutorial next. Link in the description. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!